Okay, went live earlier. Now I'm live again, and you can hear that loud thunder in the background. And lightning should be seeable this time because of it being darker. So nobody is watching yet. But I do want to just go live, and this time I am determined to capture a lightning flash. Now, why it looks different like that? Probably the way the light from the street light is relative to my device. And I'm hearing a cicada. It's not summer yet. It's just May 20th. It's not summer yet, but I'm hearing a cicada. But this thunderstorm is just to my north. And that's the street light. But I'm looking up into these clouds, hoping to see some good jagged cloud-to-ground lightning bolt like I saw just less than a minute before I went live. As when I first went live, you could probably hear the thunder clapping. And there's another good thunder clap. And that is a nice dark cloud over there. Very nice dark cloud. That storm just to our north is moving west, but there's another to our south, so we're in the middle. I think the storm to our north is going to miss us, but it's close enough that I can hear thunder. And then a thunderstorm to our south, and I will, like I did earlier, will carefully turn it. That way I don't make any of you watching it sick. And I'll turn it down this way. And that's another dark cloud down there. And hello to everyone watching. And that's a dark cloud down that way with a storm in Shelby County. Whereas my back is to another cloud that's somewhere west of downtown Birmingham. That's looking south-southwest down toward Helena. And it's just, that's a nice dark cloud there. But the really one that really impresses me is this one right here, which is moving on. But it has a lot of energy with it. I just saw a flash of lightning. I'm going to be wary of where I am because I don't want the Wi-Fi signal to go out, because that would cut the live video out. So that was, I just missed that one. A nice lightning strike, lightning bolt over there. I'm trying to position myself where I can wish I could have it on a wide angle. So that's a nice dark cloud there. I just would like to get a nice cloud to ground flash, cloud to ground lightning bolt. I'm gonna go in there. Okay. The street light being on makes it more difficult to the clouds look darker with my eyes than they do on the camera. Maybe I can back up a bit, maybe, and maybe see if this will work. And it says I can't do that while recording, so I think I've tried that before. I just can't believe I'm already... Oh, that was a good one there. Did anybody see that? Did anyone watching see that one? Okay, I think that warrants me to go inside, so that's what I am going to do. That is a nice clap of thunder, but it ain't safe for me to be out here. So I'm going to go in the house before I get lightning struck. So, if you want to watch, I'm about to sign off so I can go in the house and be safe. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good evening, because I need to go in and be safe and not be out where lightning can get me. So signing off, this is Brian. Thank you for watching.